Here is the complex numbers problem. We have the quantity 3 plus 2i times the quantity 1 minus I. The first thing I'm going to do here is multiply using FOIL, which is first, outer, inner, and last. So let's go ahead and begin. We have 3 times 1, which equals 3. And then we have 3 times negative I, which equals negative 3i. So that is negative 3i. And then we have 2i times 1, which equals positive 2i. And then last we have 2i times negative I, which is negative 2i squared. Now the next thing you want to do here is to combine like terms, so let's go ahead and do that. We have 3, and then we have negative 3i plus 2i, which equals negative I. And then bring down your negative 2i squared. So we have negative 2i squared. And so now I want you to see that we have I squared. What we're going to do is replace I squared with negative 1, since I squared equals negative 1. So let's go ahead and do that. We have 3 minus I minus 2 times I squared is negative 1. So continue to combine like terms. So we have 3 minus I, and then be careful with this. We have negative 2 times negative 1, which is positive 2. So let's bring that down. Continue to combine your like terms. We have 3 plus 2, which equals 5, minus I. And so 5 minus I is our final answer. Now, complex number answers must be written in A plus BI form, which is what you see here. All right, so this review covered the most common Algebra 2 Semester 1 midterm topics, including transformations, quadratics, polynomials, rational functions, exponentials, systems, and complex numbers. Okay, so I want you to practice mixed problems and use graphs to check your work. With that, keep practicing and stay tuned for more calm, clear math lessons right here on Math by TV.